Hello, as the dropshipping service provider since 2009, today we would like to let you know what we are doing here. My name is Carlo. Welcome to TakeSendShip. Our main fulfillment center located in ShenZhen-China, area more than 10,000 square meters. Branch located in Guang Zhou, EU and Hong Kong. TakeSendShip provides product sourcing, quality control, warehouse fulfillment, dropship, shipping solution. All of these are based in our system, integrated to main e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, AliExpress, WooCommerce, and more. In this system, you can have full shipping status with performance, including the store data and wholesale recommendation. Thanks to the supporting of global partners like USPS, DHL Paket, and Postal Group, we create 5 to 10 days priority delivery package service. With our multi-shipping solution, we can send beauty products, cosmetic, liquids, DG-Lite battery and powerbank, 3C accessories, even furniture. Thanks to UPS, the most successful group in the world logistics. UPS as the main service of our express solution enable our FBA deliver with custom clearance. Thanks to our team creative talent with rich experience in e-commerce industry, we have reached a new starting point. Focus on quality, keep moving to upgrade the system to make everything more convenient for you. We are aiming to be your super supply chain service provider with our fast, safe, reliable, and high-tech warehousing. Your business will be easy to control.